Welcome to JH. Today we're looking at the Voltax V57, a high-tech stun flashlight that also happens to look like a car key. On paper, it sounds like the ultimate gadget for a budget-friendly James Bond, claiming to pack a staggering 57 million volts and a 150 lumen flashlight into something that fits in your pocket. But before you get too excited, we have to ask, is this thing a legitimate safety tool or just a fancy paperweight? Let's start with the marketing, which is genuinely hilarious. They describe the device as clinically proven, 100% vegan, and cruelty-free. Unless you were planning on eating the stun gun or using it as a facial scrub, those terms have absolutely no business being there. It's as if the marketing team accidentally copy-pasted the description for a bottle of organic shampoo and hoped we wouldn't notice. Beyond the weird vocabulary, the technical specs are a complete fantasy. That 57 million volt claim is physically impossible for a device this size. If it actually produced that much power, you wouldn't be stunning an attacker, you'd be powering a small city. Real stun devices usually operate in the tens of thousands of volts, so this number is clearly just there to scare people or impress the gullible. Even the blinding 150 lumen flashlight is more of a dim suggestion than a tactical feature. The sales tactics are equally sketchy, featuring a permanent, limited-time, 70% discount and claims of 35,000 customers without a shred of evidence. It's the kind of high-pressure sales pitch that makes a used car lot look like a luxury boutique. If you actually run into trouble and need support, don't hold your breath. The company provides nothing but a single email address, no phone number, no live chat, and no sign of life. They brag about having 25,000 five-star reviews. Yet only about 10 are actually visible, and they all sound like they were written by the same person under extreme duress. With zero presence on Trustpilot or Reddit, it's clear that real customer feedback is non-existent. Between the impossible voltage, the vegan electronics, and the ghost town customer service, this is a major red flag. Our advice is simple. Stay far away from the Voltax V57. Thanks for watching, and if you found this breakdown helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more.